In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Regression Trend tool in TradingView, a powerful feature for analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, ensure you're logged into your TradingView account and have opened a chart. In this walkthrough, we'll demonstrate using a Bitcoin chart, but you can choose any cryptocurrency or asset you're interested in analyzing. Begin by navigating to your desired coin within TradingView. Since the selection of the chart is entirely up to you, find one that you are keen on analyzing. For our purposes, we'll use a chart featuring the BTC-USD trading pair. Once you have your chart selected, locate the toolbar on the left side of the screen. On this toolbar, hover over the icon that says Trend Tools when you place your cursor on it. This section is your gateway to several analytical tools offered by TradingView. Click on this section and you'll find an array of trend-related tools designed to help with your analysis. Within the Trend Tools section, look for the option labeled Regression Trend. Clicking on this will activate the Regression Trend functionality, allowing you to draw on your chart. This tool is incredibly valuable for identifying the overarching trend and gaining a clearer understanding of potential price movements. Now, it's time to apply this tool to your chart. With the Regression Trend tool activated, click and drag your cursor across the price area you wish to analyze. This step provides flexibility in your analysis, letting you decide which section of data you want to focus on, be it the past few days, weeks, or even months. As you release your mouse button, TradingView will automatically generate a mean regression line across your selected data set. Alongside this, standard deviation bands on both sides of the mean line will appear. These features offer a visual representation of the price range's deviation from the mean, allowing you to pinpoint periods of volatility or stability. Once your regression trend is visible, take advantage of its insights to identify areas where the price might revert to average levels. The regression trend highlights overbought and oversold conditions, signaling potential entry and exit points for your trades. It can serve as an effective component of your broader trading strategy. Remember, while this tool is powerful, it's essential to use it in combination with other analytical methods and not rely on it exclusively. Analyze historical data, consider current market conditions, and use the regression trend as an additional piece of the puzzle. That's it for our quick guide today. Hopefully, this gives you a solid understanding of how to effectively use the regression trend tool in TradingView. With practice, this tool can enhance your trading strategy and provide deeper insights into market trends. Happy trading, and see you